Hi everyone. Welcome to DrumTap. This is a mobile application for creating modern dance loops and beats for your music. Let's explore all the features this app offers. In the top panel, you'll see familiar sequencer controls, play, stop, and record buttons. Next is the randomization button for your loops. This is a premium feature, and we'll look at it in more detail later. Then there's the tempo, which you can change using the keyboard via a tap, and the number of the currently playing pattern. You'll also find a button to return to the main instrument rack. There are buttons for the pad menu for live playing, the main mixer menu for overall channel control, and the online store. Now let's move to the bottom panel of the application. Here you can see the system messages window, as well as buttons for switching between patterns. There are 4 in total. Using the repeat button, you can loop a selected pattern or disable looping to play all 4 patterns sequentially. Finally, there's the metronome button. Let's move on to adding instruments to the rack. Tapping this wide area will open a menu to select the instrument you want to add. These are the basic drum instruments: kick, snare, open hat, and cymbal, plus an additional premium instrument that we'll also look at in more detail later. Tapping the desired instrument will add it to your rack for sequencing. Now we need to choose a sound for this instrument. In this window, on the left you can see the available sound libraries, and on the right, the sounds within the selected library, as well as a load button that loads the chosen sound into the instrument. Let's examine it. As you can see, we can assign the sequence playback for this instrument, similar to any drum machine. We also have a mute button for this instrument and a settings button. Tapping the instrument icon will play a preview. In the instrument settings, you'll see a field with the name, tapping which will again bring up the window for sound selection. Let's look at the other settings: a button to delete the instrument, a volume slider, panning to the left or right channel, and pitch, which will help you add variety to the sound of your loops. Now let's move on to the additional premium instrument, tops. This instrument allows you to generate background percussion for a richer and fuller sound in your beats. This instrument also has volume and pitch settings, but also an additional button to generate new tops percussion sounds. Let's move on to the pad menu. These are standard pads for playing all the sounds from your rack. Each pad will play a group of added instruments, all the bass drums or percussions, with a single press. On the left, you can see additional buttons for muting channels during live playing, allowing you to play sessions while other external musical instruments are sounding. These also control instrument groups. Returning to the top panel of the application, the premium randomization function for all your instruments allows you to quickly try different combinations of sounds and settings. This way, you can easily change them during playback. This function also affects the randomization and creation of new background percussions. This will help you find new sounds and unexpected, cool combinations in your loop sounds. The record button records everything you do in the app to a WAV file. This function is also only available to premium users. After recording, you'll see the save path in the system messages window on the bottom panel. You can access it from your PC to continue working with it in your DAW, use it for live video, or use it as a sample for your tracks. That's all for now. Stay tuned for updates. See you later.